Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This wholesome cauliflower soup is light yet full of flavor, made with fresh cauliflower, onions and a touch of green onions for brightness. It's a cozy and nourishing dish that's perfect for chilly evening or a simple healthy lunch. Like and subscribe. Instruction: heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pot with white onions and saute until fragrant and lightly golden. Stir in the chopped green onion. Cook for another 5 minutes. Cut half of the cauliflower into a small floret. Rinse well, then add to the pot. Cook for a few minutes, stirring to combine. Pour 1 liter of water and stir gently. Bring it to simmer. Cover and cook gently for an hour and a half until the cauliflower is tender and flavorful have melted. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Serve warm, garnish with extra green onions or a sprinkle of black pepper. For creamier texture, blend all the soup before serving. Make sure you garnish and like and subscribe. Thank you.